the total mass of this, what did we get for some of our answers of this mixture? What did we get that table over there?
9.2.
So what did you do to get 9.2?
We took 11 minus 1.8.
And 1.8 was the mass of your?
Okay.
Very good. All right, so we now know that. That's your total mass you're going to be always using of just those beads, okay? So your next set of steps, and I've already done this. I went to the water, and I filled this with 50 milliliters of water. What you're going to be doing then is you're going to be putting this mixture cup into that beaker. And you might need to use your spoon, because if they're stuck there, don't do it right yet. I'll give you guys that time here in a second. Now, when you put them into the beaker, which has 50 milliliters already measured out, you're going to stir. Okay? Now, when you stir, and she's going to get a close-up at the top, if you can get the top level, there's going to be a color of bead that starts to float to the surface because it's less what?
Dense.
Dense. You guys are smart. All right. So this is density. Okay? Now, I did, for some reason, mine's doing really well. Yours won't do this on the first time. You might have a few other colors that might show up that you might have to tap down. Okay, you want all one solid color. Does that make sense? And then you have this little device to make sure we don't lose my magic beads. What's this device called? Funnel. Okay, and it's going to go in a
Beaker.
flask, okay? All right, and then we're going to be skimming with our spoon. So everybody's going to be doing a different color bead. So you all get to enjoy this process. But what you're doing is getting them into the funnel to get off the water. Okay, so I'm going to skim that off. It might take a little bit, but mine, for some reason, I got them all just float really nice. That was crazy. Got lucky. Okay. And you might have a few randoms. It's kind of like Cheerios, when you're eating Cheerios and they're all like stuck together and you have that one final, a couple of them stuck together. Okay, you're going to have that surface tension. You might have to knock them down, knock the air bubbles so that you just get one color of magic bead here to float. Okay, I think I got mine's, this first, I must have a lot of this color.
So does it
Okay.
depend on the color? Yeah.
So it's not really based on the color. Remember, we're talking about different substance, different types of plastic. Okay. Now you're going to then put it into cup number 1. You put in that cup number 1. We're going to mass it, and remember to subtract the empty mass. All right. So let's see if we can do that. Thank you.